This is Eric Muathe at Muathe.com. Let's take a look at one of the best performing stocks for 2020. It is CODX. Stock has had an explosive run. At the highs of today's session, the stock was close to $30, having opened the year trading around 90 cents, believe it or not. So from about 90 cents to the highs here of 30, it's a big run up. And with this type of angle of penetration, for those who know what angle of penetration is, the stock was always a candidate when it pulled back recently and came somewhere here. In fact, I have been all over this stock in terms of just the way it looked over the last couple of months, and here is how many times it has been mentioned for paid Muathe.com subscribers. And you can see here on August 1st at around $7, and I'll show you what the chart looked like. It was a buy at that time, just based on the fact that it had come back to a nice level of potential support on the daily, which is here on the daily at about $7, and this is the beginning of April. So I flagged that as a buy. I think it was seven and change. Let's call it 710, give or take. And this is the daily. You can see the RSI had come back to test the 50-day moving average, and also at that particular point in time. Now remember, there was other factors, but this is just simplifying things. It had come back to test the RSI support line around this RSI 50 area. And again, the reason why I was mentioning it as a buy right here is based on my method, which is the uniformity method. I could see that it had come back to test that initial move at the beginning part of 2020, and the RSI had come back to test that level based on the uniformity principle right here. So given those two lines, the blue and the green, it looked like if there was going to be a bounce, also given the fact that it had come back to the 50-day moving average, all those factors were the reason why this became an entry area of interest, and since then we've seen an explosive move to the upside. So if you know what you're looking at, then you increase the chances of riding these types of moves. Eric Muathe at Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS. Namaste.